Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video is really going to be a quick and easy one. I'll be sharing with you guys 3 ingredients you can mix with turmeric that will help you clear your acne, smoothing your face. If you're having rough face, if you're having dull face, this treatment will help. Yes, if you're the type that hardly go out with your bare face, please try this treatment. Okay, after trying this treatment, if you are 30, after using it, you will be looking like under 15. Yes, so without much talk, let's get right into it. So to prepare the treatment, you go ahead and get a clean plate. In that clean plate, you go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. We'll be using rice flour because it helps to get rid of dead skin cells, rejuvenate the skin. So go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of it. Then once that is done, the next ingredient you will need to add is turmeric. Go ahead and add half tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric helps to lighten dark spots. It helps to fight hyperpigmentations. Then the next one here is honey. Honey is very good to the skin. It helps to, lighten dark spots and to keep the skin well moisturized and supple. So the next one here is lemon. Lemon contains an astringent properties which helps to lighten the skin. So that's why I added lemon. So the one I added isn't enough, so I'll go ahead and squeeze in some more. Once that is done, I'll go ahead and mix it very well. Mix it thoroughly until everything combines together. You guys, this treatment is very good when it comes to clearing dark spots, stopping pimples, clearing scars, get rid of hyperpigmentations. This treatment is very good. Of course, with consistency, it's very good. You have to try it for some months and you will start to see results. So the next one I'll be adding is vitamin E oil. I will add some drops of it. You can as well use the capsule, okay? So once that is done, I will give it a mix. Mix it very well. Then after mixing it, it's ready. I will show you how to use it now. So guys, here is it. I have the treatment with me. And how do you apply it? Just make sure that your face is washed. Yes, after washing your face, you go ahead and use your brush or anything you have. You can also use cotton wool if you don't have brush, okay? So go ahead and apply it on your face. This will help to smoothen your face. This will help to get rid of dark spots, acne, give you that youthful glow, guys. Of course, with consistency. Yes, you have to try this at least 2 times in a week. Yes, and within 1 month you will see a great change. Yes, you will see a great change. Remember, this is DIY, so don't expect to see fast change. The changes will come gradually. So use this 2 times in a week, and within 1 month you will start to see changes. Yes guys, this really helps. Yes. Then once I'm done applying it on my face, I will leave it for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I will wash it off. Once I wash it off, I will apply my face moisturizer or aloe vera gel. Okay, so you know the rules. Do not leave your face dry after washing it off. Okay, do not leave your face dry after washing it off. You have to apply your face cream or aloe vera gel to seal this goodness that you've applied on your face. Yes, to help seal it up. Okay, so it's necessary to apply something after washing it off. All right guys, so that is it. This is basically how you can use this to get rid of acne, pimples, hyperpigmentation, and maintain that youthful glow. Okay, so guys, I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.